Hi, yesterday Codeforce was around 675. Let us discuss problem A and B. Problem A, we are given three lengths A, B, C, and we need to find a possible integer length D such that it becomes a quadrilateral shape. So we have to form a non-degenerate quadrilateral which has no three of its corners lie on the same line. So the easiest solution to this problem will be just printing maximum of A, B, and C. This condition will be automatically satisfied when you print maximum of A, B, and C. So the answer is just a one-line solution, max of A, max of B, C. So maximum of the three numbers you print. So problem A was simple. Now problem B, we are given a matrix of size n into m. It is called nice if the rows and columns are palindrome. And in one operation, we can increase or decrease any number in the matrix by 1. So what is the minimum number of operations needed? So to solve this problem, minimum number of operations, we have to take the input first, and then in the input, let us consider a vector having these values. These are the four values to be considered. Why are they the four values to be considered? This will always give us the minimum. This, if you consider it like this, it will always give us the minimum answer. I mean, minimum possible moves. Sort this and just perform this operation. That means every time you are changing element of the matrix to val. Val will be first element of the sorted vector. That will give us the most optimal answer. This is how you solve the palindrome matrix. Actually, I also did not get it at the first try, but then I could find out that these are the four elements to be considered, and these things are simple only. You will know how to do this. Just keep recording answer everywhere. So that was A and B. And I have made videos on internship experiences. You can find that in the description box. I've also made different videos on the sliding window concept and CodeChef DSA series that I'll share the playlist with you. Please see those. And if it helps you, share it with your friends. If it does not, also share it with your friends. Maybe it will help them. Subscribe to my channel and show some support to me. And that's all. Bye.